Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 5, 1835 America New York, judge approves request to revamp Rogers Communications Board. The move adds to a family feud for control of one of Canada's largest telecommunications companies.
BBC News Business. November 5, 1827 America New York, pensions, target to clear underpayments described as ambitious. A former minister says it will be a major effort to ensure women who missed out are paid by the end of 2023.
New York Times Business. November 5, 1824 America New York, Aaron Feuerstein, mill owner who refused to leave, dies at 95. After a fire devastated his Massachusetts factory in 1995, he kept paying his employees and spent hundreds of millions to rebuild. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 5, 1823 America New York, Boeing board to add safety expert, make other changes in 737 MAX settlement. According to a proposed settlement, the planemaker has agreed to add another director to its 12-member board with aviation, engineering or product safety oversight experience. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 5, 1822 America New York, Rivian Automotive boosts IPO price range. The electric vehicle maker backed by Amazon.com is offering 135 million shares at an expected price between $72 and $74 each. Previously, it expected a range between $57 and $62.
Wall Street Journal Markets. November 5, 1822 America New York, Rivian Automotive boosts IPO price range. The electric vehicle maker backed by Amazon.com is offering 135 million shares at an expected price between $72 and $74 each. Previously, it expected a range between $57 and $62.
Daily FX Market News. November 5, 1800 America New York, altcoin cryptocurrency Shiba Inu faces off against Dogecoin. The latest entry into the altcoin field, Shiba Inu, sees volatility after a brief overtaking of Dogecoin's market cap. What does the massive rise and fall of $SHIB-USD in the past week say about the
New York Times Business. November 5, 1759 America New York, Boeing directors reach settlement in shareholder suit over 737 MAX crashes. The $237.5 million accord is subject to court approval. The plaintiffs said board members had neglected their oversight duties. Aviation authorities around the world banned Boeing's 737 MAX from flight in March 2019 until late last year. New York Times Business. November 5, 1738 America New York, Cambo, a proposed oil field, is drawing controversy in UK. What is Cambo? It's a proposed oil field deep underwater off Scotland that has become an intense focus of environmentalists and the energy industry. The Shetland Islands. Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 5, 1706 America New York, Advent, Permira near deal to buy McAfee for more than $10 billion. The security software company is nearing a deal to sell itself to a group including private equity firms Advent International and Permira for more than $10 billion, according to people familiar with the matter.
BBC News Business. November 5, 1628 America New York, U.S. Virgin Islands probes Barclays Epstein links. The U.S. territory wants Barclays to hand over documents related to sex offender Jeffrey Epstein.
Forex Live. November 5, 1608 America New York, S&P and Nasdaq close at record highs for the 7th straight day. Nasdaq up for the 10th consecutive trading day. The final numbers are showing. For the trading week, the Forex Live. November 5, 1606 America New York, Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. Non-farm payrolls beats estimates but dollar slides. Forex News for New York trade on November 5, 2021. Markets. The non-farm payrolls report was solid across the board but not strong enough to shake anyone out of their beliefs.
Daily FX Market News. November 5, 1600 America New York, Australian dollar outlook, commodities, US dollar and RBA way. Can AUD, USD hold? The Australian dollar weakened during the week as the RBA under-delivered and commodities continued lower. Will AUD, USD catch a bid?
Forex Live. November 5th, 1555 America New York, USD/CHF does not have a happy ending to the week for the buyers. Price is closing lower on the week and gave up all the day gains. The USD/CHF is not ending on a happy note for the buyers as the week's trading moves toward the close.
Wall Street Journal Markets. November 5th, 1539 America New York, Advent nears deal to buy McAfee for more than $10 billion. The security software company is nearing a deal to sell itself to private equity firm Advent International, according to people familiar with the matter.
Forex Live. November 5th, 1531 America New York. What's on the U.S. economic calendar for the week of November 8 to 12? CPI, Fed talk and a holiday. Highlights to look out for: Monday, November 8th, Tuesday, November 9th, Wednesday, November 10th, Thursday, November 11th, Friday, November 12th. Economic calendar.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 5th, 1525 America New York, leisure travel rebounds as Delta variant fades. Vacationers are on the road again, lifting company sales and setting expectations for a busy holiday travel season.
Forex Live. November 5th, 1522 America New York, U.S. SEPT consumer credit outstanding plus 29.9 B versus plus 15.9 B EXP. U.S. lending data: non-revolving credit is usually student and auto loans while revolving is credit cards. The numbers show a high willingness to spend despite shortages. Forex Live. November 5th, 1503 America New York, the Russell 2000 makes a break for it this week. New all-time highs for the small caps. The price broke above the high from March 16 for the first time on Tuesday this week. The Russell 2000 joined the stock market party this week by moving above the March 2021 high for the first time during Thursday's trading.
Global economy. November 5th, 1454 America New York, more hot air than progress at COP26. Lack of leadership by the biggest polluters is hampering decisive action.
Forex Live. November 5th, 1452 America New York, weekly charts, not exactly screaming reversals in yen crosses. A look at CAD, JPY long yen crosses has been a great trade since late August, but the pushback from central banks led to a retracement this week. Is it a blip or something more?